How to type matrix equation in Word. If you want to type a matrix equation similar to this one, this video is for you. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. We first have to insert our 3x3 matrix, and to do that we're going to locate the top menus and tap on insert. After that, locate the far extreme right and click on equation. Then the ribbon will change. Make sure to select bracket. With this selected, navigate and select the second bracket. Now our bracket is inserted with a dotted square. Make sure to select the dotted line in between the bracket. With this highlighted, continue to tap on matrix. This will pull out a list of different types of matrix. Make sure to select the 3x3. And there we are. Now we have our 3x3 empty matrix. To insert our values, we first have to locate the dotted lines and tap on 1. Then we can insert our first value, which is 3. Then the next one 7, then again 6, and then 5, 4, 3, 6, 8 again, and then 4. Now we're going to insert our 3x1 matrix, and to do that we're going to repeat the same process by first tapping on our insert menu, then locate our equation sign and tap on it, and then continue to select on bracket, then pick the second one. So this will give us a dotted bracket. Make sure the middle one is selected, which is the dot, and then continue to tap on matrix, and this time around we're going to select the 3x1. Now that we have this inserted, now we're going to enter our values, which is the first one. We're going to insert something like 4, and then type 3, and then type 7. There we are. We've perfectly typed our matrix equation in Word document. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.